WP Bakery, Beaver Builder, Gutenberg, Elementor are all lists of page builder. There are many other lists. And page builders, they allow users to create and edit website pages by employing a simple technique that is called drop and drag techniques. So with this, it helps you to build a responsive website. Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. And today I'll be talking about page builder. So like I made mention, page builders gives you this simplicity to build your website by adopting a technique that is called drag and drop, which you are going to see. So among the list, there are many page builders. WordPress has its own custom page builder. However, Elementor is one of the best free WordPress page builder. So how do you get Elementor? Like I explained in the last video, one of the things you need to know is about plugins. Plugins are that they are like you can call them, so to say, like softwares as well, that helps you bring additional features that you want on your website. So Elementor is one of the best free WordPress page builder. So how do you get Elementor? Like I explained in the last video, one of the things you need to know is about plugins. Plugins are that they are like you can call them, so to say, like softwares as well, that helps you bring additional features that you want on your website. So I'm going to go straight down now to my plugin and go to just search for Elementor. So Elementor has both the paid and free one, but just going to use the free version, Elementor website builder. So they have other ones that comes with like essential add-ons. You can as well install these. Uh, but the major thing I need is to install Elementor to build my website. So why that load? I'm just going to go to a page. So let me duplicate this page. Okay, so I want to start by creating a page, links of pages, like they are like you compress different pages together. So I want to create a new page. Let's call this page home page. So this is going to be our first page whenever people visit our website, right? So we can just leave, since Elementor is here to install, I would have choose to change the page. But while we wait for Elementor to get installed, we can just publish this page. So when you come to view the page, you are just going to see that the page looks blank. There's nothing on the page. That is where we need Elementor to edit this entire page. You can as well do that with the default WordPress page builder. Like this is the WordPress free page builder. You can always use. Say I want to add an image, but Elementor brings in a very kind of unique function to it, that it gives you this quick and easy to build structure. So let's just go back to WordPress and see, okay, WordPress is installed now, and then activate. Oh, good. All right. It's requesting to create an account, so you can just see that you create an account, or you just skip this process for now. There you go. Website app, that's the name. There you go. I have a logo. It's asking if we have a logo. Skip this as well for now. There. So we can get template bots to import. However, we are going to start with editing a blank canvas with Elementor. So now we have Elementor installed on our website. So I'm not going to publish this page. It's asking me to publish a new page. However, let's come back to the page that we've created. You remember we created a new page. So this particular page, we are going to edit with Elementor. You can see that this is showing edit with Elementor, but it's not showing here. So how do I bring that in? I'm going to go back to the page, click on edit page, then I'll come down to page attributes. Okay, page layout. Let's come to layout and see. Okay, it's going to give us an option to select Elementor. Okay, and templates, rather default templates. So Elementor, Canva. Yeah, so update this, then we can go back now and edit with Elementor. So it shows us somewhere here. Okay, let's click on edit. Template Elementor Canva. Okay, you can see now it said edit with Elementor. So just click on it and it brings us to the Elementor dashboard of Canva. So now this is Elementor, and Elementor is just so unique that you can easily click and drag things as you want it to be. I don't like this image being here, so I can choose to delete this off. All right, so I have a fresh page, so I can choose to make so to say my own page should have a very big image here that tells about what I want to. Okay, so uh, let me add this image here. So it's going to be a very big image, like you can see here. So you can as well see the size of how I want the image to be. I can choose to make it medium, full. So I can choose the image now. Okay. Let me find a very big image here. Yeah, I love this. Oh, let's use this. Exceed the maximum upload size. Okay, let's choose the lady with bag. That should work. Okay. Oh, that's as well big. Okay. Um, should we try this? Should. Okay, the size is 2 megabytes. Most of those pictures are above 2 megabytes, so that's why we are having that issues. So let's see this. How's the size here? Wow, 9 megabytes. Wow, 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 wow. But let's use this. This is a PNG file and it doesn't have a background. So let's use this since our website is talking around WordPress. So this is awesome. So this is like the first section is usually called the header, or you call it the hero section. Okay, so I might choose to want to add a little story down here so that, okay, so you can see how Elementor makes it very easy for you. Just click on the plus icon. You can choose the section like, okay, I want it to be in two-way structures. So I'm going to have a write-up here. So I can insert section, or let's have an heading. Then I come to the options element. I can choose to add a text editor down the heading, right? So I can always come back to element. Then I can choose to add a button here, right? And I can make this button to be at the center. And other unique thing about it is that you can always adjust any elements how you want it to look on Elementor. So I want this button to be somewhere down, like in between this entire box. So what I can do is to basically adjust the, that should be margin. Yeah, wow, this is beautiful. You can see this. So my website is making sense. So I can choose to add another section here. Say I want to have maybe a tree structure. So before you start building, you should have in mind how you want your website to look like, so you don't get confused along the line when you start building. So you should have either you drafted out something how you want the website to look like. It will help you as you go by building with Elementor. So as you keep adding each element, the page keep increasing. You can as well as adjust the entire layout. You can choose to expand the margins around it. this is linked value together, so we can reduce the value. I think I prefer, and you can increase the padding. So this is beautiful. Wow. So it's taking the entire space. Yeah. So um, now you can, whenever you add or make any corrections, always save, like update the view. So now we can check this out. Let's see the changes. I always prefer to open it in a new tab or click on preview, and our website is coming up. Wow, wow, this was what we did earlier on. So um, with Elementor, you just keep adding, click and drag the elements you want to add, like click and drag. This is the technique I made mention of. Um, you just you drop and drop and click and drop, click and drag, or drag and click. You can just always add based on elements. Click on this, you can see. So as you click them, you drag them in to where you want it to be. It keeps going like that. So that's the unique thing about Elementor. Um, thank you for watching.